How to use Google Maps offline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to use your Google Maps offline. Let's just get started. First thing first, you have to go ahead and open up your Maps application on your device. Then from there, you need to go ahead and select an offline map. So you can find that over to your profile icon at the top right corner. Just tap on it. Here you should be able to find the offline maps option down below the location sharing option. Just go ahead and tap on this. And here you can find already saved offline maps over here. So these works even when you are not connected to internet or any other kind of connections. Go ahead and tap on select your own map down below. Now you can select as big of an area as you want, all the way down up to 40 MBs, or if you want a bigger area, it's going to take a lot of space. So I suggest you just zoom into the area that you want to download as your offline map. Let's suppose I want an offline map of this city over here. I can just select the part of the city here and then tap on download down below. Now it's going to start downloading the offline map. Even when you're not connected to internet, it's going to allow you to see the map. If you want to rename it, tap on the three dots, then tap on rename, and you can just rename the map. And tap on save. Now you're good to go. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.